guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So this video is sponsored by Mane and Tail. I'm going to do a unboxing because they sent me a huge box filled with goodies, and I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. So the Mane and Tail team is all about spring cleaning for your mind, body, and spirit. All about rebirth, refresh, rejuvenate, etc. So a way that I like to rejuvenate myself or reboot myself is have a whole day for myself, like a whole spa day, for example, just to really ease myself, calm myself, have like a massage day, a whole day to myself, just so I can really reboot myself and feel amazing again. And yeah, so one of my favorite things is also having a cup of tea, and my favorite tea is peppermint tea at the moment. Let's just get into this unboxing and see what we got from Mane and Tail. When you first open up the box, wow, okay, so here it has the Mane and Tail logo. It's the Mane and Tail Herbal Grow line, and they have new packaging, which is super cute. They have new packaging and new natural ingredients in it. But first, the first thing you see is the Mane and Tail logo, and it says discover our Herbal Grow collection, and I think these are like olives. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's just super pretty. So this is the Herbal Grow shampoo, and this is for moisture and healthier growth. Oh, this has a new look. Has olive oil and keratin in it. Let's see what color. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. It has a green color. We love that. Oh, this leaves your hair shiny, silky, and healthier looking, and has natural herbs to strengthen and fortify your hair from root to tip. It is safe for colored, perm, relaxed, and chemically treated hair. Let's just put it on the side. And next we have our conditioner from the same line. Ooh, and this one has natural shea butter in it. Both of these are 12 fluid ounce, and they retail for $4.99. You can't beat that price. This is $4.99. Amazing. This is also with olive oil and keratin, and this also is to moisturize and condition, leaves your hair shiny, silky, and it has an olive oil complex. Perfect. And it also has micro enriched proteins, help to prevent breakage, frizz, and split ends. Wow. So olive oil leaf extract provides potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and is also soothing to the scalp. The shampoo also has meadow street flower extract that is great for balancing the sebum levels and improving scalp health. And both the shampoo and conditioner contain shea butter, which is good for providing moisture to the hair and scalp. The conditioner also has horse chestnut, which improves blood circulation and is anti-inflammatory. The conditioner also has coltsfoot plants proteins, which helps restore and repair the hair shaft. So we also have a Herbal Leave In cream, and this is to shape, hydrate, and add shine. And this is 5.5 fluid ounces and retails for $6.99, which is a very good price. This also has olive oil and keratin in it. And the great thing about this leave-in is that you can also use it as a hair mask, which is amazing. Look, it has a green color. This also contains horse chestnut, and this has chaparral. Chaparral has long been used to combat and fight dry, flaky scalp. And this also has sweet almond oil, and sweet almond oil is rich in magnesium and zinc, which will help to improve the condition of your scalp. So I love that this whole line is for scalp health, and I love the new packaging. It's cute green. So next we have this. Oh, I love that it's in a glass container. Cute. So this is for a relaxing soak. Let me just open this up. Oh, this is bath salt. This is going to be perfect for your spa day to rejuvenate yourself, reboot yourself. So I definitely will be using this. So it has these cute organic herbs in it. Let me show you. Love it. And it also has for a relaxing sip. So basically, I think this is for tea, and I love tea. Look at that. Cute. So I am gonna use this. Definitely gonna use this. So these were all the products that were in the box. The Herbal Leave In cream, the shampoo, the conditioner, a nice tea that I will be trying. some bath salts. I love that they updated the packaging and added more natural ingredients into the products. And these products are all cruelty free. So these products are available on the Mane and Tail website, also at Sally's, Walmart, and Target, either in-store or online. So make sure you also follow Mane and Tail on Instagram because they are doing a special giveaway where you can get a box exactly like this, a cute box with everything in it. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new upload. Make sure to shop the Herbal Grow line from Mane and Tail on their website and on Sally's, Target, or Walmart, either in-store or online. These products are definitely affordable. These two 12 fluid ounces retail for $4.99 each, and this is $6.99. So you're definitely getting value for your money. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!